back to another video. Today we're going against a dragon. Oh god. I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna respawn. Okay. Yeah, I'm respawning. And also, if you guys would please also watch and subscribe to Sharkblade 6002's channel, please. None. Nope. Well, though you have 15 because I subscribed to you. Dragon. Oh crap, I died. Teleporting. Cool. That sucks. What? Oh crap. I shot it while I was in the air, I think. Where'd it go? Where? These people not die. Okay, I killed him. Shoot the dragon! This pistol's doing nothing.
Seriously, guys, that pistol
flying
was
bird!
doing nothing.
I don't think he's moving. I think he's going after him. No, he's coming back. Oh no! Dude, I'm getting hit non-stop. Did you turn on PvP? Just asking, cause I was getting hit a lot, and I was wondering why. Hold on, I'll be right back. Crap. Yes, it is. No, shouldn't be. Unless you have like different guns. Well, it'd be a lot. A rifle should do a lot. Hopefully. If you have an assault rifle, dude, that's like perfect. Perfect for killing dragons. Oh. And did he leave too? Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Guys, here it comes. Dude, it's shooting at you. Yeah, you took my shotgun. Is this him? There, hey. See, he's got my shotgun. Crap. Dude, you should turn PvP on so I can. Oh my gosh! Are we ever gonna get past this? It's coming over here. I don't really care if I die. By the way. I just don't. Why didn't I teleport? I don't know.